When seconds matter, air freight leads the way. From urgent medical supplies to global e-commerce, air cargo ensures that critical goods arrive quickly and safely. Today, we'll uncover how air freight works, why it's essential, and where the future is heading. Air freight is the transportation of goods via aircraft. It is ideal for high-value, time-sensitive, or perishable products like electronics, pharmaceuticals, and fashion items. Cargo can move through specialized cargo planes, passenger aircraft holds, or dedicated express services. Air freight enables rapid delivery across continents. A package can leave Asia today and arrive in North America tomorrow. Industries like healthcare, automotive, and retail depend on air logistics to maintain operations. Air cargo also plays a crucial role in humanitarian missions during natural disasters. Air freight offers several key advantages. First, speed. It's the fastest method for international shipping. Then, reliability. With frequent flights and established schedules, air freight ensures timely deliveries. And let's not forget security. High tracking standards and stringent cargo handling protocols keep your goods safe. But there are challenges too. High-cost air freight is more expensive than sea, rail, or road. Weight and size restrictions. Aircraft have strict cargo limitations. And, of course, the environmental impact. Air transport produces more emissions per kilogram than other modes. Innovation is shaping the future of air logistics. Electric and hybrid aircraft are reducing carbon emissions. Cargo drones are emerging for last-mile and urgent deliveries. AI-driven logistics are enabling smarter route planning and loading optimization. And sustainable aviation fuels, or SAF, are helping to make air freight greener. Despite high costs and emissions, air freight remains critical for global trade and healthcare. Its unmatched speed and reliability are vital for modern economies. As technology advances, air freight is becoming smarter, faster, and greener. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful and insightful. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button and subscribe to Logistics ABC. Turn on notifications so you never miss out on future videos. Check out the recommended videos here for more great content. Thanks for being part of the Logistics ABC community, and see you in the next video.